Cold leather. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy General 315 back with another sneaker review video for y'all, and today we got those Hyper Royal Jordan 1s on deck. And it took me a while to get to this review. I mean, it really did. It took me a little bit. I tried to take my time with it. I did have 2 pairs of these at one point, but then I gave a pair to my brother. I was gonna review it before that, but I already knew I had another one, so I said forget it. Anyway, got these from BR Shop. They came through, asked me if I wanted to review these for them, and I said of course I will review them for you. What do you think? I review anything anyone sends me. Of course I'm gonna review them, right? But anyway, this is a UA shoe, so just make sure you guys keep note of that. This is an educational video. I'm not telling you to buy from BR Shop or StockX or GOAT or whatever. I'm just showing you what they sent me to review, all right? The resale price of these joints are up on the screen. I don't know how much they're going for now, but they were well sought after for a while, for probably like, they're probably still well sought after. I'm not even sure now. This is those, you know what I'm saying? These are the resale prices of those joints. Before I get started into breaking the shoe down, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Did you go after these when they released? I tried, I did not get them, and I knew I was gonna get a UA anyway, so I stopped. That was my whole story about it, and then I moved on. All right, so breaking down the shoe, we got the Hyper Royal. At first glance, this shoe looks just like the Turbo Greens, except they're blue, and they kind of look like a denim blue, like you wearing some denim jeans, right? Or some jeans or whatever. They look denim. It's not denim, it's suede. So let's just jump into it. So you have this very, very nice suede on the shoe, but it's kind of like a hardened, I guess if you could say stone washed suede, that's what it would be. I'm not sure what the finish of suede this is, but this is definitely like a long haired suede. It has no transition at all, like nothing, no transition to it. It's definitely a decent texture. It's something weird that we kind of seen only once and haven't seen since. And this one is really, really distinctive. But anyway, breaking down the shoe, we have that Chicago style colorway blocking with all of that blue. And then we have the white toe box, the white mid panel. But instead of having a black ankle collar, we have gray, and it's a gray suede. That's distinctive. Also, we have a gray suede Nike swoosh. Very, very nice. Just looking at the shoe, very nice shape to it. Not too bad at all. We got some nice leather on here, and it's a nice flat leather. It's a very good quality leather. It's not bad, but it's not the greatest. I've seen better leather than this. However, this is still good leather. Not too bad at all. Got some white laces here, white nylon tongue, going up to that royal or Hyper Royal blue Nike Air tag right there, which looks very nice. That mid panel has some very nice leather on it, very decent. This looks like it's leather, but it's not. It is suede. Suede is leather. All right, it's just the way that they finished the leather. So that's very, very nice there. Wings logo, it looks pretty good. That looks nice there. Hourglass shape on the shoe looks pretty good. I think they did a good job at that. All the stitching seems to be in the right place. Medial side of the shoe looks just like the lateral side of the shoe. And then we have that white midsole with that gray outsole. I know everybody's done a video on these, so I'm kind of just going over the points, right? So toe box height looks good, not too bad there. Shoe tree, standard. And then we have the white laces in there. And then we have a white insole with that Hyper blue Nike Air there. And you got the sizing tag right there, right? These shoes come with an extra set of laces, and they are Hyper Royal laces. Moving on to the other shoe, just like to scan around it. That leather really does look nice. I like that leather very much. So very, very well put together shoe. Very nice, if I do say so myself. Nothing about the shoe looks bad to me. I do like it. I think it's a very, very nice shoe. It's very well put together. I would go ahead and pick these up from StockX or GOAT or BR Shop if that's what you want to do. If I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give the shoe a solid 8.6. 8.75. Not my favorite. I love the turbo greens a little bit more, but still a very, very nice shoe. One of the things about the shoe that I like is how the stitching is hyper royal. I think that's super dope. That's a nice accented touch, but it's just little stuff like that on the shoe that a lot of people don't, you know, think about when they look at the shoe. Usually it should have been white. The other versions of the shoe probably were white, and then they said, hey, let's just add that hyper blue in there. So that's just something to think about. Materials used on the shoe, you know, 9 out of 10, 8.75, 9. I mean, whatever you want to choose. I think it's still a 9 out of 10. It's really nice. Can't complain with the shoe at all. I think it is dope. So if you guys decide to make a purchase, I mean, you can go with StockX, GOAT, Be Your Shop, Kick whoever. You do what you want with your own money. You know my motto. That's all I got for this shoe, guys. I hope the review was informative for you. I hope it helps you make your purchase wherever you go. Hopefully you guys enjoy this on foot that I got for you guys. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace. What's good, y'all? It's General. I'm about to run to Costco because I gotta cook out today. I'm cooking for my family, so I want to hurry up and get this on foot. So I'm gonna have to do the on foot in the Costco parking lot. I don't have a lot of time. These joints are dope though. These joints are dope. I'm gonna do the on foot for these joints right here. I gotta do the on foot for these. These are dope. They're super comfortable. I love them, man. This is my favorite Jordan 11. One of them. One of the favorites. Definitely gotta do the on foot of these joints. I love them. They came through the God Killer joints. Definitely worth it. I also got to do an on foot of these joints right here. These joints are crazy. These are crazy. I love it. This is a good shoe. Super good shoe. Damn, it's so bright out here. It's so sunny. It's blowing out my camera. That light is blowing out the camera. There y'all go. These are super dope. These are super dope. But yeah, I got to run to Costco real quick because I really got to get the stuff for the grill. Had to make some steaks, all that nonsense. You know what I mean? Y'all know I normally don't do this car thing, but I'm kind of in a rush this morning because I got to start cooking. I got to start cooking soon. Damn. What's in this shit? Shit. Why they make these so small? God damn. That shit was good. Wait, what's in this? Make sure y'all keep yourself energized, man. These V8 joints is popping. Anyway, on foot coming up. All right, y'all. I'm here. I'm at Costco. I'm about to run out, do these on foots because I got to go inside and get this stuff for this barbecue. Alright, y'all. That's a wrap. I'm about to go get this stuff. I'll see you on the next one. Alright, peace.